commercial from a Google's video. And I just wanted to tell you something. Get DirecTV. You can flip to any channel you want. See? Let's see. You press up to go up. See? I press up. Changes the channel. Then you press down. And you change it. So get DirecTV! See? Here are all the buttons. Here's the on and the off button. Here's the select button. The blue button is for looking. How many? See? What's next then? What else is next? See? And here are the other buttons. Here are the numbers to press. Each of them. Any of them. So like 2, 3, 6, 9, 2, 3, 5. See, I did 5. Okay, and then I go, and then you can press preview for if you want to go back to where you were before. Okay, so get DirecTV. It costs $12.99 per shipping, and if you get two, you get one more for free. No, I'm just kidding. If you get one more for free, then you can just give it to a family or something like that. Get the remote. DirecTV. $19.99 plus shipping.